Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Assess. Today's guide video is based on how to ban someone on TikTok application. Now I'll show you the correct way of banning someone on TikTok, so you make sure to watch the video till the end and follow the instruction correctly. Now first of all, make sure that you're well connected with the internet service, only then you'll be able to follow the step. Now without any further delay, let us get started. Now open the TikTok application and make sure that you're logged in. Now here, as you can see, the interface looks something like this. Now on the home page, what you have to do is you have to simply open the video of a person that you want to ban. So the next method is you simply have to tap on the share button, which is on the lower right corner. As soon as I tap on the share button, there you can see your different icons. Now right in the bottom, there you can see a report, just tap on it. So on the other page, what you have to do is you have to select the reason why you want to ban this person on TikTok. Now select a reason. So once you're done selecting a reason, what you have to do is just simply tap on submit, which is right in the bottom. Your report has been posted, so just tap on done. Now the main thing is that if many people report on the video and if the report turns out to be true, only then the TikTok will ban the particular user's ID. And that is how you can ban someone on TikTok application. And that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.